Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the Scrapyard. In my last video, I showed this as a stash ad, and I said I was going to unbox it for y'all in a separate video. So this is going to be that unboxing. I haven't looked in here yet, other than just to peek what's on top. So we'll be unboxing this. Let's see. I'll set this out of the way. All right, the instruction sheet. That's what we got here. We got build the Apollo landing module for 10 cents for the trial membership. What is 7? Yeah, science program. All right. Cardboard pieces for the Frisco Switch Sleeper. There's the other piece. We'll stick all this paper stuff back in the box. And get to the goodies here. I'm sure most of these parts are the same as the recent reissue. All right, we got the chrome tree, or most of it. I don't know if the wheels are in there or not. We'll find out. Really nice Hemi valve covers. 2 different sets of stock valve covers. I think. Smaller injector stacks. Not sure what those are. Look like they might be, I don't know how they'd be 4 of them, but yeah. Looks like it might be headlight bezels. Half of a huge moon tank. Let's see what we got here. Two engines. You got the Hemi and the I don't know what the other one will be. Probably a 318 or something. I like that. I like the old IMC tooling in the way I've built a couple other things that were where they worked was really neat. Uh, let's see what we got here. We got roll bar pieces, door hinges, little subframe, um, the dash, leaf springs, front axle, a couple other things. I'm not sure what they are. The body. Body's pretty good. A little low spot right there, dimple where this brace is here. It looks clean. All the badges and the letter just sticks up very nice. Little scratch stuff on the top, just bounce around in the box. Let's see. It's like all your ladders and stuff. A couple of paint brushes on there. Yeah, ladders. Roof rack. Not sure what the little wheels go on unless it's for the little go-kart thing that comes with it. Your frame. Dog house. Gas tank. Inside the tailgate. Sub leaf springs. I know I'm bearing the lead on this because I know y'all want me to get these clear parts for the phone booth stuff, and we'll see here in a minute. I'm kind of hoping it's all there. I'm not sure. I couldn't exactly tell from the photos, and I've never built this thing. All right, doors and seats. Fun fact, man. According to Steve McGinty, man, these are the same seats they used in the Superstock cars, man. Nice set of Steelies. Floor pan. All right, now here we go. We're getting to the bunch of loose parts in here. Tires and such. But anyway, here we go. Phone booth stuff. There's the door frame. Half of the door, folding door. Not sure what that is. But all the pieces in here looks like windshield. The other half of the phone booth door. Not sure it's at the top of the base of the phone booth. One of the walls. Not the other one was the base. It's the top. Another one of the walls. He's got a little bit of a warp to him. I think it's straightened up though. Another wall. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3 walls, door, both door pieces, corner piece. What else is there? Let's see. More glass for the truck. Another piece of glass for the truck. I think it's the rear window. You know, as neat as this is, didn't Dodge make a 5-window version of this? Like Ford with their unibody cab over thing, man. They made a 5-window and a 3-window. And the rest of it's just assorted loose parts. You know, got a nice set of wheels. I've got to look up. I don't think they're Traeger's. Tail lights, just, you know, random loose stuff. But yeah, at first glance, it looks like it's all here, guys. I think I got a great deal on this. Like I said, I'm gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna build a phone booth or just make a set of drawings and try to scratch build one. We'll see. But that's the 1967 release of the Touch-Tone Terror from IMC. Like I said, I'm sure the majority of it's the same thing that's in the recent re-release. I haven't got one to compare it against, but those of you that do, man, if there's something different, let me know. But yeah, I think I did all right on this. I mean, IMC version. That well, let's look what's in the box, man. You know, it's you know, just practically the same. You know, the only difference really I think is the fact that you have that whole phone booth. I think that phone booth got repurposed after IMC broke up when MTC put out the phone booth, named Carl Casper's phone booth. Because now don't have one of those to compare it to or anything, of course, but one by what I'd seen online, it looks like the same tooling. Well, anyway, that's it. If you enjoy this kind of content, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, leave me a comment. I try to answer all my comments as soon as I can. Every once in a while I might miss one, but it's not too often. And anyway, that's it for this, man. And y'all have a good one, good weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.